and Giz, for the following counties, in Georgia: Banks, Hall, Jackson and Madison. What? Significant icing expected. Total ice accumulations between 1/4 of an inch and 1 inch are expected. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north-central and northeast Georgia. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts: expect power outages and tree damage due to the ice. Travel could be impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact the Monday morning commute. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.